Alright guys, you are watching this video because you want to learn how to tie a shoe. So the most important thing that you need in this video is a shoe. It's Alexander McQueen, just a regular shoe. And the steps on this is you want to put the shoe on, right? You want to put the shoe on. And so now I'm about to show you how to tie a shoe. So as you have it right here, right, you want to make sure that you have it straight up, if you can see that, straight up like this. And then you want to have it in an X kind of way. But when you have it in an X kind of way, then you want to bring one like that. So now it's like a Y. It's like a lowercase y. You know those Ys that they be making? That kind of looks like that lowercase y. So once you have it like this, right, you're just about halfway done. So then you want to tie it. And the way I look at this is the left side is now to the right side. The right side is now to the left side. So then what you do is you want to put this as if you're making like a bow. And then this one, you're not going to do that. Some people do that, but I'm going to show you how to do it easier. So you're going to have one that's like a bow. The other one is you're going to tie it around it, and then there's a hole right here. You're going to put this side through there, and then now it looks like both is a bow, right? And all you do is boom. Now you can, of course, double tie it, which means you just bring this around and then put it through the hole, boom. So that right there, that is how you tie a shoe. If this was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe. I hope this did help you literally how to tie a shoe. And like I said, just be looking out for the next video. Hope you have a blessed day. Thank you.